hi. Say hi.
Hi.
So, yes, I look so crusty right now. But we're going to our lockers and we're going to go to math. Bye.
Look like a rat. I can't do it. Jordan's 14 for officially 1 day now. How's it feel?
Immaculate.
You've been 14 for like 25 hours. 26.
Wait, 6, 7,
27 hours. 24, 5, 6 hours.
8, 26 hours.
Yeah, 26 hours.
Quick maths. You just leave it. So we're on break.
Hey guys.
Oh shoot, I'm in here.
Yes.
Oh, I'm in that too. I did not. Hey guys, I didn't realize.
Do you need me to do that? I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
I'm so
So in
tired.
math, we are graphing with our calculators. This isn't mine. But we're graphing. Fun times, fun times. Oh, that's okay. I'll block it out with calculation. Say hi, Anna. Hi. I look like a mole rat.
I said I look like a rat this morning.
My eyes look so tiny. I do look.
Ah!
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, I was just about to start stretching.
Second page.
And I'm actually exhausted.
You're what?
Exhausted. I would get in
Same.
it, but I'm too ugly. I'm shut up. Hi, y'all. Just kidding.
Come say hi.
Wait.